guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the Ipsy July 2020 Glam Bag Ultimate unboxing. So without any kind of ado, we're just going to hop into it. This is the little spoiler card here. It says take a break, and it has all kinds of information here about different ways you can treat yourself while at home. So there's no spoilers on here though, it's just literally a treat yourself card. So there's that. First things first, let's talk about the Glam Bag. This is it here. It is nice and plump, square shaped, but it doesn't want to hold its shape right now because, you know, there's been nothing in it, but it says now boarding. And this is my favorite, is the little detail here of the plane. So flippin' cute. So there's that. Next up, we have this sample size Belief True Cream Moisturizing Balm. This is just a moisturizer. Smells nice. Look forward to using this. Then we also have a little sample size Delectable Butter Balm Hand Cream in Triple Citrus Blend. This I have busted open. I love it. Love it. So definitely would purchase the full size of this. Then we also have these green tea eye gel patches from J. June Cosmetic. There are 3 packs in here. So I'm going to pop these in the fridge and use them and see what I think. And the last for the deluxe sample size is this coffee scrub here by Organic Feelings Los Angeles, and it's in the French vanilla scent. I need to figure out how to like make this fit in the screen. Anyways, so there's that. Their hashtag is the original coffee scrub. And now on to the full-size products. I am very, very amped about these full-size products this month. We'll go ahead and start with the one that I picked for myself. This is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I am very excited about this. And can you guys see like the detail on this packaging? Gorgeous. And this is what it looks like. So, and my favorite part about this too is that it has a pump. So you can literally pump it instead of having to squeeze it. And I love that it's clear so that you can see how much is in here as you're using it up. So definitely excited to try that. Next, we have the Tarteist Face Color and Contour Cheek Stick in the shade Brazilian Bronze. Now, I never would have purchased this for myself, but I am so glad that I have it. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. And you pull the lid off, it's got this. We'll go ahead and swatch it here for you. So that's what it looks like. And I'm very, very pasty, so I was a little concerned, but it's, oop, and I just ruined it. But you can blend this out and it's a buildable coverage. So it has, you see that? You can easily work with that. And it comes with this little brush down at the bottom that you can use for application. So very excited about this and super glad that I got it. Next, I've got this Tarteist eyeliner. This is the double take eyeliner. So it's got a dual tip on it. So the first side over here is just your typical pencil in a black shade. And then this side is going to be your marker. Very, very excited about that. I love Tarte. Next, I have this Foxy Bay Don't Hate Hydrate Replenishing Hair Mask set. This has 8 little packages in here, and I love that the sticker says no fox given. Super cute. So let me show you. I don't want to rip the sticker, so I'm going to take them out the bottom. But this is what they look like. So very excited to use those. I'm getting more into hair care lately, so that was kind of perfect timing. Another makeup item here are these 2 Beauty For Real shadow sticks. We have 2 different shades. So we have the 2 different shades here. This one is Ever Starstruck, and this one is Midnight Marathon. So we'll go ahead and swatch them here. So this is Midnight Marathon. And I love that it has a very thin tip for you to apply. And then this is the Ever Starstruck, or right? Yes, Ever Starstruck. This one I think would be a really pretty under the brow bone, or my sister was saying that she would wear it as a highlighter. Both of them are great options. So these are super, super cute. Then we have this full-size Pure Lease Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. I am excited to try this. So as soon as I finish the cleanser I currently am using, my Mary Kay one, I will go ahead and use this one. So it's supposed to gently cleanse the skin, removing makeup, toning, and soothing, soap and sulfate free. So there's that. Very excited. And this was, I don't know, like every item was my favorite item, honestly. This is a very nice luxe envelope with this really gorgeous sticker here. And then some more details on the back. But inside here, from, I believe it's pronounced La Ruche or La Rousse, I don't know. But are these brushes. So let me pull them out and show you what we've got. Okay, so up first we have the LR335 Flat Foundation Brush. And I'm excited because I've never had a foundation brush like this before. So I'm very excited to use this. And I love the black stud handle. Love that. So that's the first brush we got. Next is the LR334 Angle Contour Brush. And that's what this one looks like. These are very like nice weighted and good quality brushes. So I'm very excited to use these. Then we have the LR110 Shadow Brush. It's for applying eyeshadow all over the lid. We have the LR005 Tapered Blending Brush. Very excited for that. And the LR222 Kabuki Brush. And last but not least, they gave a full-size palette. I was not expecting this to be as big as it is, but this is the Sakura and Sage Vegan Eyeshadow and Blush Palette by Seraphine Botanicals. I love this packaging so much. Let's go ahead and open it up. And I love how well it was packaged too. And this is the actual palette itself with some nice silver foiling. And you open it up, you're gonna get a little mirror action. And that is the, ooh, sorry about that fan. That is the, let me take this off, palette itself. So you've got 6 beautiful eyeshadows. I'm excited to get into this silver and play with it. And then you have 2 beautiful blushes. So Dawn, I'm a little scared of Dawn because it's a little like peachy nude for my liking, but I'm very excited for Azalea. So definitely excited for this palette. And I mean, it is big, like that's my hand. It's the full size of my hand. So very cool. But anyway, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I tried to keep it short, sweet, and to the point. That's the way I like my videos. So just trying to get through it. I'll leave the link down below if you guys are interested in getting your own Ipsy box. There are 3 different options. I got the largest of the 3. I hope you guys are having a great day, night, whenever you are watching this. And until next time, stay batty.